Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Before I even get into this video, I always get questions about lipstick and stuff. So y'all, let me go ahead and tell you, because later on, I don't never know the colors of stuff. I just literally get stuff, put it on, and call it a day. So when y'all ask me, I don't never know. Let's see. So what I actually have on is the Stila in the color Rubino, and I put a little bit of my Juvia's Place bronze chestnut just to make it darker, because I wanted it to be really, really dark. So that's what I actually have on my lips. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. Now, let me get into the details and specs, honey, because your girl don't even have it pulled up, so give me a minute. Okay, so the unit that I am wearing is the Nadula Jerry Curly 99J Burgundy Lace Front Wig with baby hair. And if I'm not mistaken, they sent me 24 inches. I could be wrong, but I think they sent 24 inches. Just check down below in the description box just in case, because child, you never know with me. But I think it's 24 inches. It is available in 14 to 26 inches, so all being even numbers. And it says Nadula Lace Front Jerry Curly 99J Burgundy color wig with baby hair. It's available in 14 to 26 inches. It's an average cap size. It has Swiss brown lace. It's a 13 by 4 and it's 150% density. Now I am wearing this unit just like big hair, don't care. But you know, like with Jerry Curly hair, you can either wet it and have that more sleek look. You can put mousse on it to have that more fluffy look. Or you can go Diana Ross, Shaka Khan on the people, okay, honey? You can give those vibes. that was the vibe that I chose to go with. So I actually did not put anything on this hair other than my silicone spray, and I only put a little bit of that on there, trying to just like kind of tame it down a little bit. But I wanted it to be really, really big, just like big crazy hair. But like I said, if you want it to be more of a, you know, sleeker look, you can apply mousse or whatever. Now this unit, it does say that it comes with baby hair, and lately I have not been utilizing baby hair unless it's just absolutely necessary. And honestly, you probably could tweeze the hairline a little more, but I found that the hairline was fine. I did decide to bleach the knots because I'm just on that kick, but other than that, I didn't have to do a whole lot to this unit, and you guys know your girl lazy, so I love that for me. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, it did shed a little bit, and it did tangle some. It is Jerry curly hair, and I didn't wet it or anything, so I did expect it to shed some and tangle some. But it wasn't anything to write home about, in my opinion. I do expect it to maybe do a little more later, like, you know, with wear. Angel. I do expect it to probably do a little more tangling, because my curly units, especially the ones that are more on the inexpensive side, do tend to do that a little more. But straight out of the packaging, she's doing none of the things, girl. Okay? She's doing none of the things. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. Oh, it is extremely big head friendly. Let me throw that out there, okay? It's extremely big head friendly in my opinion, okay? I am an average cap size, so I do only have that head that's on my shoulders, girl. But in my opinion, this wig is very, very, very big head friendly. So also keep that in mind. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you are interested in the pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a length check, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so we're going to start with the cons, because I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. Now, although I am wearing this unit as a comb over, like, you don't see probably much parting space at all. There is parting space, but it is a 13 by 4. So, you know, you don't have as much parting space as you would with another unit. So, as always, y'all, that would be my con with this wig. Now, my pros with this unit is, first of all, I love the color. And I hope the color is really coming off, like, so you guys can really see it. It's super dark. It's storming here. And I have my lights. Let's turn them up a little more. Nope, it's not happening. I hope y'all can really see this color, because it is a really, really... It is a gorgeous color. Like, it's literally like almost exactly the color of this outfit. It's a deep 99J, and honestly I prefer a deep 99J over a lighter one. You know, they kind of have different ones. They have the darker 99J and the lighter. I really love the deep one, and I love this color. It's perfect. I also love the hairline of this wig, and of course I love the texture. Like I said, I love that the Jerry Curly does offer a sort of versatility where you can wear it sleek, you can wear it big, or you can wear it fluffy, however you want to. So I do love that as well with the texture. So yeah, those are my pros. Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. I would mainly recommend it because, honey, for the color. It's fall. Like, who doesn't love a deep 99J in the fall? I love this color in the fall. Like, this is one of my favorite colors to wear. I own a lot of different little burgundy outfits and stuff, so I really like to just kind of wear that whole burgundy look, okay? I like for my looks, my hair, everything to be burgundy. So I would personally recommend this unit just off that alone, honey. Just off color alone, sis. Okay, I love it. Alright, let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. Alright, y'all, so let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it. Let me know if you prefer this like big sort of look, or do you prefer the sleeker look or the fluffier look. Let me know down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And if you are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's time to talk about one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Love completely got every style and we